Hi, I'm Marty Pettiford, your Henry County Realtor, and I'm here to help you find your Georgia dream home. Today, we are actually in the neighborhood of Grandview at Miller's Mill, located in Stockbridge, Georgia, and I'm going to show you their gorgeous model home. I have a little special guest for you, Tandy King with DRB Homes. She is the on-site agent here at Grandview at Miller's Mill, and we're going to be sharing all of our favorite features in this model home so you can get a good feel of this home before you come in to visit. I'm so excited to share this property with you. Let's get this started. So one of the first features that we want to highlight is this gorgeous two-story foyer. When you walk in the house, it just gives you that wow feel, but I'm going to have Tandy tell you an additional upgrade that can make this home even more of a wow factor.
So you have the option to do a structural change, which you could add a study here, which makes your home a little bit more bigger, Marty. So going from 3665 to 3827.
On the other side of this wall, if you don't choose to do that, is standard 3-car garage. Here's the second feature that I really like about this house, and it's truly unique because this is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, which means you get a half bathroom for all your temporary guests. And then through the hallway, you have an ensuite, which is a great size, by the way, which has an adjoining private bathroom for your long-term guests. So Tandy, this makes it a true suite.
Exactly, because like you said before, it has its own private bathroom.
I love it. I love it. Welcome to your oversized primary suite featuring its own sitting room. I love this feature because it is huge. I mean, you can fit 2 oversized chairs. You can make it a movie theater. It has its own coffee station. There's just limitless possibilities to however you want to utilize this space. And over here, you have double closets and a soaking tub, which by the way is standard for this home. Now, who wouldn't want to relax here? I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this gorgeous model home. A special thanks to DRB and my friend Tandy King. If you are in the area and you're looking at a DRB home, please ask for Tandy King and let her know that I, Marty Pettiford, sent you.